Yep. Hey, where's my uncle?
I know, that's with you.
Huh?
Did he go up with us?
No, he stayed down with you. Did he go past the turn?
I don't know.
Oh, god damn it. I bet you he fucking went past the turn. He always goes ahead, he doesn't know where he's going, man.
I was flipped in when we hit that mud, man. I was flipped in, I'm like, oh shit. Should we go get him?
He always does that. I hate that, dude. That pisses me off. He doesn't know the way and he goes out too far ahead.
Yeah. Should we go back?
Yeah, I mean, he's not going to find us. He doesn't have his phone.
He's ridden here before, hasn't he?
Yeah, but he follows us.
I might remember.
Yeah, but how long is it going to take him?
I don't know, let's wait 5 minutes. Maybe go down.
Turn off your radio, I mean your camera.
Oh, it's off already.
Red light?
Yeah, it's off. It's off, yeah.